What's up, Psychonauts? It's your boy Chris, aka Mobius here, and I am in the Psychonauts production lab, aka my room. but I just wanted to play this song because I really love this song, and I'm a member of this site called Quartified. What Quartified does is it takes songs, popular songs, and simplifies them. You can pick out what instrument you're using: um, guitar, ukulele, piano, and there's another one. I think it's drums. I think you can also use drums, which I think is dope, or maybe bass. Either way, you can use up to four instruments. That I'll just put it simply. You can use four instruments, and they'll already have the chords written out for you. You can be on the site for free, but you only get like 4 or 5 songs that you can actually go over. There's some tricks to being able to play one song over and over and over and over and not use up all your uses. But if you change between songs, then you lose a use per day. But I got the paid subscription just because I'm doing music all the time now, so I need to really hone my chops and really really start expanding my musical mind. And so what I do is I play popular songs and some of my favorite songs, so that the chord shapes in my hands, they stick out, like they stay there, they're permanent. Like, instead of just sitting in the classroom having people tell me this, that, and the third, or watching a YouTube video and having someone tell you this, that, and the third, you actually do it, and you have this site that's helping you go through it. I'm actually using Quartified to learn how to play guitar. I'll do a video on that later, where I do know one song. I know one song is one of my favorite songs by Bob Marley, "Stir It Up," and I'll do a video on that next week. But what I'm going to try to do is do one video per week for the YouTube channel, and just let you guys watch my progress, so that you're not daunted by the task of, oh my God, I can't play this, but I want to learn how to play this, but it's so hard. I've had that guitar for maybe 3 weeks now, maybe 4. It might have been a month, but when I first got it, I sucked. Like, I could hold the guitar and I could, strum it. You know what I'm saying? I could use at least one finger to hold down the string, but I didn't know what I was doing until I actually focused. And it takes time, and I'm using Quartified, which is helping me. It's helped me learn how to play the piano and now the guitar faster than any other I guess, teaching tool they have online. So that's the only reason why I'm plugging them. No, they are not sponsoring me. Hopefully one day I can earn a sponsorship from them. You know what I mean? So shout out Quartified. If you're watching, give me like $5,000 a video. I'm just joking. But nah, I would like at least a free prescription for a year. And some little things. Quartified, we're gonna talk one day. I'm manifesting that. We're gonna talk one day. But anyway, so back to the task at hand. I think I just plugged Quartified for free. Free promotion. Gotta stop doing that shit. But anyway, so the song I'm going to be doing today, I'm not going to be doing Stir It Up, even though I could do Stir It Up. Stir It Up is, let's just preview it, right? It's just 3 chords, right? You have the A chord, and then I believe it's D. Yeah. I believe this is the whole tone scale, maybe. That's it. Let's stir it up. Stir it up. This is not what this video is about. Oh my God. Let me get back to the task at hand. As you can see, I've been partaking today, and I'm not focused. So anyway, what I do is this song by Daniel Caesar and her. Shout out to her. Forgive me, babe. My girlfriend, I mean. But I love me some her. Oh, she's so sexy. Not sexy in like a sexual way. She's sensual. She that throwback woman of color sexy. Ooh, she that Erica Badu sexy. Oh, let me stop. But I'm serious. I better never meet her. I would be like one of those girls that's outside the what do they call them? Dang, what is the word? What is the word? What is the word? There's a term for this. Groupie. I would be a groupie for her if I ever meet her. But anyway, uh, so anyway, the song I'm going to be doing is Best Part. I got off on another tangent about her. But it's by Daniel Caesar, and he's a great artist, great singer. I love the way he presents himself. He's not presenting himself as this glamour artist where, I hate that shit. I hate, like, you have to be all extra. No, you don't. Daniel Caesar didn't. And some people would say he's an industry plant. Her is an industry plant, technically. Technically. You know what I mean? Like, but you don't know what these people were doing before they got on TV. I'm not even going to go into that. I hate that whole industry plant thing. I'm going to do a video about industry plants and what's the difference between a real industry plant, like someone who has no talent, no musical background, has not been out here doing entertainment, show business, nothing, right? Who somehow gets promoted. That's an industry plant. And then you have people who have natural talent, who have performed before in their life, maybe not on a big stage, but they performed before, who, my girlfriend's calling. She's ruining it. How do I pause it? So, we're going to be doing Best Part. We're just going to be playing the chords. We're not going to go too crazy. I might go a little, I might do a little something if I feel inspired to, but we're just playing the chorus. And the chorus, let's give you some information about the song. So that's one thing that's great about Quartified. They give you the song details and right down to the tuning and the release year and whatever, right? But the problem with Quartified, I think, is that Quartified is very much like Wikipedia for music, where some people hear music differently. Some people's ears are worse, some people's ears are better. So, or some people's taste is different. Like, for instance, this is another off-topic thing, but the song "The Girl from Ipanema," it's a famous bossa nova song. Everyone has heard it. Everyone in this hemisphere who's watched movies with a Latin woman in it at all, or any of that shit, I'm telling you, you've heard this song. So it was, I believe, published back in the 50s. But its original composition, I believe, is in F major. Maybe. I can't remember. I should actually double check before I say that. I should double check before I say that. So, our handy dandy phone. You know what I'm about to do. I tell people this all the time when they want to prove me wrong. Google it. And if Google says otherwise, it must be so. Because our great overlord, Google, knows all, sees all, hears all. Anyway. Girl from Ipanema. Original key. Okay, so the key for the Girl from Ipanema from Antonio Carlos Jobim, varies depending on the recording's origin. The original Ribeiro version is in the key of G. We don't care about Ribeiros. We care about the Brazilian. Most Brazilian performers are in the key of D flat, which some say is more authentic. Why? Because it has more of a bossa nova sound. I got it wrong. The American version is in the key of F, and was for white audiences because we want whatever. But D flat was the original key. So you might have people with different tastes on Quartified who change the keys according to. I'm still promoting this shit, aren't I? Anyway, anyway, my point is, the song is in the best part. It says the song is in the key of D, so we're gonna Google that. Best part, original key. Best part is in the key of D major.